Hi One-Twos! We are learning how to write a Cinquain poem. But what is a Cinquain poem? Well, from the title on the page here, you can see that the word Cinquain looks a lot like the Italian word for five, which is cinque, and that gives us a really big clue about the most important feature of a Cinquain poem, which is that it has 5 lines. So let's have a read of the Cinquain poem here. Puppy, cute, fluffy, running, licking, barking. They make good pets. Dog. All those words might sound a little bit randomly put together, but we're going to learn about the structure of a Cinquain poem so that it all makes sense. First, let's read our learning intention and success criteria. We are learning to write Cinquain poems. And our success criteria, or what we want to say by the end of this lesson, is I can choose a topic that matters to me, I can identify nouns, verbs, and adjectives, and I can follow instructions to write a poem. Okay, now let's look at the structure of a Cinquain poem so that we can understand why each line has those words in it. Your first line is just one word, and that is your topic, so it's a noun. It has to be a person, place, or thing. Your second line has 2 words, and they are 2 adjectives that describe your noun. In the third line, you have 3 verbs, and verbs are doing words, so they have to have ing on the end. They are 3 things that your topic does. In the fourth line, you have a 4-word sentence to describe your topic. And the fifth line is just a synonym or another word for your topic. Now you've probably noticed a bit of a pattern. The first line has 1 word, the second line has 2 words, the third line has 3 words, and the fourth line has 4 words. The only line that doesn't follow the pattern is the 5th line, and that's because it just has 1 word. Now yesterday, as part of your writing activity, your job was to think of a topic that you wanted to write about and draw a matching picture. So for my poem, I chose home. That's really important to me, and I drew it, I coloured it in, and it made it look nice and pretty in my book. Today I'm going to be brainstorming verbs and adjectives that are related to my topic. So in my book, I am using the space underneath my picture to rule up 2 columns, one for verbs or doing words and one for adjectives. Now, the doing words aren't necessarily what my house does, but it's what I do when I'm at home. So eating, sleeping, laughing, talking, hugging. And then adjectives to describe my home. So my home feels safe, it's happy, fun, beautiful, comfortable. And then I also just thought of a few more words, and so I added those into my columns as well. Now it's time to actually write my Cinquain poem. So what I've done is I've written my topic word, home, at the very top, right in the middle of my page, so that it creates a sort of pyramid shape as it goes down. Then I looked back at my brainstorm and I chose 2 words that I wanted to use, which were beautiful and comfortable, to describe my home. And then I chose 3 verbs or doing words that relate to my home as well, which are eating, laughing, and hugging. Then in my 4th line, I wrote a 4-word sentence, where my family lives. And the last line is just 1 word, and it is a synonym for my first word, which is house. Let's read it together. Home, beautiful, comfortable. Eating, laughing, hugging. Where my family lives, house. Now it's your turn, One-Twos. Your teachers would love to see what you come up with your Cinquain poems. Make sure you choose a topic that's important to you and really take time to brainstorm words that make sense for your topic. Good luck and have fun.